Be strong.
Let's be honest, every family has that relative. We have the perfect way to celebrate them. Check out our hilarious We Don't Hide the Crazy t-shirt. This shirt says it all. Just hand out the cocktails and enjoy the show. This is the perfect tee for family reunions, holidays, or just surviving Tuesday. It comes in multiple colors and a full range of sizes for the entire crew. Made with premium, comfortable fabric and a durable print, this shirt is designed for comfort and lasting through those unforgettable family moments. Don't wait to grab this family favorite. Order your We Don't Hide the Crazy t-shirt today at www.styleatjunctions.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Be strong.